हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे यूजीसी नेट 2012 के लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के क्वेश्चन पेपर 2 के बारे में। हु वॉज द चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम 1986? डीपी चट्टोपाध्याय। द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द ईयर 2011 फॉर LIS एजुकेशन इन इंडिया इज सेंटनरी ईयर. A digital reference service can be offered through the Ask Your Librarian. Biotechnology is formed as a result of the fusion. The order of significance of thing, material, and action among various components of a compound subject was expanded by the E.J. Quartz. Relational database is manipulation commands which relate records in different fields. Shodhganga is a repository of the e-thesis. Which of the following tests can be employed for hypothesis testing? That is all the t-test, Chayesky test and F test. Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation falls under the Ministry of the Culture. Internet Public Library is being maintained by the Drexel University. What are the major driving forces behind an information society? That is 2 and 3 are correct. That is ICT and Internet. Which libraries are functioning as a depository libraries? Delhi Public Library and Connemara Public Library. Which of the following are inclusive geographical sources? That is encyclopedia and yearbook. Which principle are corollary to wall picture principle? Kaukalp principle and whole organ principle. The factors that influence computer file organization are speed of access, storage spaces and file volatility. Major problems of information communication technology are information overload, information insecurity and lack of control over communication. Which of the following are which of the following are open source content management system? That is 1, 3 and 4. Drupal, Joomla and OpenCMS. Which of the following are not style of the citation? That is Anglo-American Cataloging Rules and MLA Handbook for Writer of Research Paper. Which of the following are school of management thought? That is 1, 2 and 3. Scientific management school, human behavior school and classical school. User can have access to large number of e-journals. Reason, users are not aware of using e-journals. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Book selection must be done judiciously. Reason, resource sharing is the need of the hour. Both are true, but R is not the correct statement of the A. Primary sources provide most authentic information for the research. Reason, primary sources are highly unorganized. Both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation. Abstracting service facilitated literature review. Reason, literature review summarize major findings of the various studies. Both are true. Name authority file should be used in a library. Reason, all works of an author should be collocated. Both are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Classification plays a significant role in online retrieval. Classification play an important role in manual system. D. A is false, but R is true. If changes cannot be adapted to its framework, the organizational equilibrium will be imbalanced. Reason, organization work in an environment which is marked by dynamic characteristics. Both are true. There is need to continuous evaluation and appreciation of value of library. Reason, there is economic pressure on public budget. Both are true. System analysis identifies the flow of the work. Reason, system analysis is not necessary if the library is automated. A is true but R is false. Arrange the following association according to the year of the establishment. First ALA, then SLA, then SLIP, and last IASLIC. Arrange the following according to the year of the enactment in the India. 3. Copyright Act. 4. IT Act, Freedom of Information Act, and Right to Information Act. Arrange the following publication according to the year of the origin. Library Journal, Library Literature and Information Science, LISA, and Social Science Citation Index. Arrange the following according to the year of the origin. Classification Research Group, Automated Keyword Classification, Broad System of Ordering, and last Classification in Online System. Arrange the following according to the year of the origin. First Statistical Bibliography, then Lotka's Law, then Gibbs Law, and last Bradford's Law. Prevention of cholera in India generates following index term according to modified chain indexing. Arrange them in the correct order. First medicine, then treatment, first treatment, then disease, then cholera, then medicine, and last India. Arrange the following according to the year of first publication. First Encyclopedia Britannica, then Encyclopedia Americana, then McGraw-Hill Encyclopedia of Science and Technology, and last Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science. Arrange the following according to the year of the establishment. First Decidog, then Nasdaq, then NIC, and last NISCE. Arrange the following Public Library Act according to the year of the enactment. First Gujarat Public Library Act, then Orissa, then UP, then Arunachal Pradesh. Match the following. Obligation of the state, that is second law. Self arrangement and the cataloging, fourth law. Open access and self arrangement, third law. Library location, first law. Match the following. Issue recorder, obituary of Dev Anand. Union Catalogue of Scientific Serials, location of specific volume of journal, books in print, availability of books, Social Science Index, article on Green Revolution. Match the following. User orientation, reference service, information repackaging, digest series, translation support service, indexing, bibliographic service. Match the following. Textual representation, Gopher, computer language, Boolean operators, network tool, a textual representation, ASCII, computer language, that is Pascal, network tool, that is Gopher, searching technique, Boolean operator. Match the following. Law of parsimony, that is related with the overall economy. Principle of osmosis, F.W. Lancaster, paperless society, sorry once again. low parsimony, overall economy, principle of osmosis, reclassification, paperless society, F.W. Lancaster and Apupa pattern for the classification. Match the following. Hubs a physical layer device that connects multiple computers each via a dedicated cable. Repeater, a physical layer device used to interconnect the media segments of an extended network. Bus topology, for the a straight line data highway that carries network information from one network station to the another. Switch is multiple bridge known for transfer of data between different parts. Match the following. Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation at the Kolkata, Connemara Public Library at the Chennai, Nisker at the Delhi, and Kudabaks Orient Public Library at the Patna. Match the following. Right Man at the Right Library, Development, Budget, Annual Financial Statement, Journal, ISSN, Identify Users View and Expectation, TQM. Read the paragraph and give the answer. Yes. Why digital objects become inaccessible quickly? Because of unforeseen or advancement of technology. Reinterpretation is a digital preservation strategy where curator intends to recreate a work. What is the focus of system emulation? That is developing system that make hardware. Which of the following is true about migration preservation strategy? That is, migration is related to the viewing problem. Repressing preservation strategy focuses on upgradation of storage of the mechanism.